Yeah อันนี้มายำ dumpling ห้างเก็บบากไฮ we are dumpling not dumpling I've been wanting to eat here but they've been closing for the COVID-19 but now they open up 50% in LA dumpling and those guys they making fresh dumpling this guy in glass គេពងវិចនំ dumpling ស្រស់ឲ្យយើងញ៉ាំនេះនៅទីក្រុង Covina the beef 7 looks good chive and pork dumpling yellow chive they don't have shrimp huh only here beef 5 pork and shrimp those are good you want to try some beef roll I want to try some beef roll this is all dumpling house ooh steamed dumpling you want a crab crab meat
crab ឆ្ងាញ់ហើយទិនទិនមានយក pork and shrimp ឆ្ងាញ់
pork and shrimp
shrimp ឆ្ងាញ់យក crab សាច់
they have the spicy one
អីគេហ្នឹង noodle
dumpling ហឹលហើយលក់សាច់ dumpling របស់ចិន
អញ្ចឹងបាយមើល special
how's the menu oh this is the noodle យកកាទៀវឯង they have beef stew looks good cheap too welcome back to eating out again hopefully traveling soon
ចាក់បាក់សិនណាហើយ
ពួកនេះសាពួកអ្នក clean ហើយអ្នកដើរលេង
clean ញ៉ាំ clean ញ៉ាំ clean ដើរ
It's a nice restaurant go check out those guys making dumpling professional one some shrimp and pork dumpling
shrimp and pork
yeah B5
B5 with shrimp okay
and one B7
with shrimp also
yeah and one beef roll that's it just those 3
okay
and honey green tea what do you want same
yeah
two honey green tea
oh maybe this one okay
thank you
ការកឡាប់ណាំបងជួយ
តម្លាក់ម៉ាស់ចូលហើយញ៉ាំតប្រើម៉ាស់មិនកើត gotta take off that mask to eat right good to be outside again shopping sale នោះវាដាំផ្កាស្អាតមែនមកវាហេបាយណា
ខ្ញុំមិនហ៊ីវ
អាឡាគីអង្គុយស្រែកយំនៅយូរ
ចេះតែមកពេលមកផុតគុណភាពឯងគេយកប្រាក់ឲ្យយើងមកដាក់បាត់
នេះអីយើងអង្គុយស្អាតណានៅជប៉ុនដូចការញ៉ាំ sushi នៅជប៉ុននេះណាĐấy, mùi nào? Nó vô cái mình trào à?
Ở đây là boba milk tea cho mùi boba với là nước chanh.
Ta là nước chanh. Đọc cái lối quay. Look. First time eating here at this restaurant.
Yeah.
Never order out, never. Actually, they just almost had a grand opening, and then COVID-19 came. អត់ដែរតំសាក់លើកទី1ឆ្ងាញ់ឆ្ងាញ់មកញឹក
ឆ្ងាញ់ហើយណោះ
There's a lot of items that we want to order on the menu.
គេធ្វើថ្មីមកវិចថ្មីបំឆ្ងាញ់ទៀត
A lot of stuff on the menu, but we have to wait until the next time.
ឆ្ងាញ់ណាស់
តន់សាក់មកឆ្ងាញ់គាត់តែមើលកែដល់ឆ្ងាញ់នេះសាក់
ស្អីក៏ដោយតាប់តែងស្អាតឆ្ងាញ់បាទនេះឆ្ងាញ់មកគេនេះ
ហាងនេះឆ្ងាញ់ Ooh, that smells
អត់ទៅ sweet ទេ
smells good, tastes good. So far the drink is good.
សាក់កាក់មួយសាក់
This is
ឆ្ងាញ់អត់ផ្អែមធម្មតា
what is that? Coffee?
ណ៎រយ
Oh, caramel milk.
ឆ្ងាញ់
Oh, wow.
អត់ផ្អែមទេធម្មតា
Don't drink too much.
ធម្មតាផ្អែមណា
នេះគឺធ្វើតាមតៃវ៉ាន់តៃវ៉ាន់អត់សូវផ្អែម like Taiwanese
បងប្អូនមិនសាកនេះឆ្ងាញ់
It's not too sweet
អត់តន់បានញ៉ាំមកតែឆ្ងាញ់អា drink វាអត់សូវផ្អែមទេឈ្ងុយបាយញ៉ាំនេះទៅឆ្អែតឡើយនៅនេះគេមាន brown sugar ដែរតែបាយចូលចិត្ត
So far this two drink is good, very good. We're gonna wait for the food. Come. Dumplings in Covina, California. Gà chai 3 មុខ I wanna go sit out there. Beautiful garden. Rose, bush, canopy. Cool. Like your own private garden back there. No how I'm saying though. Maybe they're a different restaurant. Huh? They also have a parking lot spot. I think they're gonna take that off pretty soon. Oh, that's not ours. Oh, that's us? Ooh. This is
I think it's the Chinese.
Pork and shrimp chive.
It's not cabbage.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's another one.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you. It just looks different. They come with the bowl like this. Thought we got the wrong order. Ooh, I'm surprised. I'm surprised they still have this.
Dumplings.
Yeah,
Dumplingsយ៉ាងណាមាន
because normally they put in the little cups for you now. It is our first dumpling in a long time. That's Go for it. Go for it. Go first. ឆ្ងាញ់អានេះលើកទី1ហាងនេះមើលទៅដូចឆ្ងាញ់មកគេ Juicy. Oh.
ទុនមកទុន
It's good.
ឈ្ងុយមក
Yeah.
Where's the beef from?
Oh, thank you. Oh, that looks good.
juicy
Wait for me.
thật chất lên hắn
This is the famous Chinese beef roll. Beef and cilantro, cucumber, green onion with a really thin, soft flour skin and hoisin sauce. Ooh, love it. My turn. I better eat before there's no more. Oh, good thing they gave you 2 ginger.
ngon lắm.
vinegar អូបងប្អូនសា
ពីនេះជ្រលក់
ខាង
ណា
ញ៉ាំ
បា
បាយ យហាងយូរខ្ញុំកានមែនហ្នឹងអានេះចំហាងទី2ឯង Oh this one I know this one this is a Chinese barbecue sauce
ngon nhá. Đấy.
No it's look like roast duck sauce
Ngon nhá. Ui.
Ui. I'll pay extra for those. Thấy nhé. Khan nhằm bài hàng you.
Lịch chập tới.
We haven't eaten in a restaurant so long. We don't know how to behave anymore. We lose our dining etiquette.
Sorry.
I always bring extra napkin with me. Okay. Later. Take clean it later. Eat first. Oh.
Ngon nhá.
Dumpling is so good. Oh my god. One more.
This the crawfish.
So good. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. It's another kind. I don't know. I think we order cabbage. Oh, this is cabbage, pork and shrimp. No. Yeah. Cabbage, pork and shrimp. This one is chai, pork and shrimp. Ooh, so good. Này. Lại đi mà. Oh, phải còn lạ telephone nữa. Nhìn thọt telephone. I don't want to dirty my cell phone. I'm recording this with my cell phone.
Bảy không đâu mất cái đầu nha. Anh đã phải cái đầu.
This cabbage and shrimp pork. Oh, so good. We found a new place to eat now.
Bạch tơ Tây Văn đây nè. Tây Văn hơi ngon nhá. Tầm bình. Hai nhà cái tiêu luôn mà.
Good hả?
Nhanh. Cô nó còn đại ít đấy bông phốn. Đại ít cốt mớ. Big breakfast hay nè.
This is our first time trying this beef roll over here.
Âu lucky đó có Âu lucky. Côn đầy ít phần tay mà Âu đầy ít té. Nghe nhé.
Soft flour.
Vì ní nhưng chơi chất tràn này chiên kì. Anh ấy vì miền xây cái đau nhưng mà chơi chất đây.
This is so good.
Anh ấy vì miền là cà chai. Ôi, ngon nhá. Chả tất cây nè. Tất mấy chanh mình tên. Nó tất sai cái món barbecue à.
So good.
Nó barbecue rồi.
It's not barbecue.
I don't know.
Amen, honey.
Tất cây của chanh ở sâu ba em té. Ngon mòn.
Remind me of Taiwan.
Chả ní ghê hơi fry rồi ta. Mày
It's
mà.
Taiwanese.
Anh ấy bạc liền khăn ấy.
Trong cry kìa. Last piece. This place remind me of the dumpling place in Taipei, Taiwan. Same soft taste, not too salty, not too plain. So good. No more. No, I'm gonna finish this. cannot take it home with 3 piece. Thank you for watching. It's time to eat out again. Time to travel soon. So we can share with you where we eat or recommend places where you can eat too. អរគុណច្រើនបងប្អូនដល់ពេលញ៉ាំបាយហាងទៀតហើយនៅអាមេរិកគេបើកឲ្យហាងឲ្យមនុស្សអង្គុយក្នុងហាង 50%
គេបើកឲ្យពួកអត់លៀនញ៉ាំ
យើងមាន50តុយើងអាចបើក25តុមកអ្នកធ្វើការសម្រាប់ញ៉ាំបាយសម្រាប់គ្នាចិនបើចិនតៃវ៉ាន់មកទៅ Take care, see you again. Bye bye.